Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the physical audio path and available mics. This determines which cancellation method will work. If your headphones are wired, you can use a PC with a USB DAC and an external mic. If Bluetooth, prepare your phone and a pairing workflow. Once decided, install the chosen ANC or DSP app and have a small omnidirectional mic ready to pick up ambient noise. This setup phase saves retries and lets you focus on tuning rather than troubleshooting later. Now you configure device routing and capture a noise profile so the DSP can subtract unwanted sound. Select the correct playback device and mic in your OS or app, then run a calibration sweep or record ambient noise while moving the mic around. Once you have a sample, apply filters. Start with a few notch and bandstop filters for persistent hums, then refine with FIR or IIR equalization. Make sure to balance suppression with latency. Lower latency reduces sync issues, but may need simpler. Finish by testing with music and voice to confirm noise reduction without artifacts. You should tweak suppression threshold, attack and release timing, and input/output gain so cancellation is strong but natural. If you hear pumping or distortion, reduce suppression depth or enable anti-echo processing. If latency persists, simplify filters or increase buffer size to stabilize audio. If noise cancellation still fails, recheck mic placement and wiring. Rerun calibration or try an external ANC module. One quick swap often solves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.